probably have to pull the wing off. Oh, you got the wing off. Okay. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. He went off the runway, so it knocked it. This thing's gonna sound horrible.
I know, you can hear it from a mile away.
It'll be different next time. Ready, Kurt?
Yeah.
All right.
China
Oh
clear.
yeah, sure, get some speed runs of this thing.
That's what he's doing.
Yeah.
Once it's in the air, right?
Yeah.
I don't care about ground speed.
Gear up.
I'm gonna do a downwind. I'm gonna go from right to left.
Right to left?
Yeah, right now. I'll be right over us too, so
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that behind him.
probably gonna be against the rules, but I'm doing it anyway.
I love how you just got that on video. Jesus,
108.
fuck.
No, that's not right.
It ain't right.
No.
All right, you ready,
right.
Kurt? Try this.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
It's way over 108.
That's only going like 107.
No, it's way high. It's way faster than that.
Slower, huh? It's too slow.
You think my Yak 130 is going above 107?
It's going over that.
Either that or I'm not tagging it right. I don't know.
I'll do one from the right.
Okay.
Oh, from the left.
Left? Okay.
So Nate, I'll be close. Don't freak out.
I won't freak
Time
out like
remaining
Mike.
2.
Ready?
Yep.
That's way over 108.
Keep going 107.
Yeah,
All right.
that's easily 120.
Kurt, you want to try this
So
one
I
again?
don't know if the damn thing, the battery, if the low battery, we say low battery, I think. Yeah, 104.
107.
Oh, that's
Yeah, it went up to 107, and when I let go of the button, it goes to 107. So
something's not
I
right.
don't know.
something ain't right.
Are you full power?
I was not the whole time there.
Go full. Wait, hold on.
Full right now.
again.
Am I keeping up with you?
No, I'm pulling away slightly.
Oh, okay.
You know what, Nate?
Oh, let's do some crazy low passes.
Go.
That's 109. keep going slower.
No one's broken.
You get a better number.
You'll get the slower we go.
I don't think this thing's accurate.
I think it is. It looks about right.
No, that. Oh God, that
Ray went
J10.
right over us, and I was dead
J10's
on.
gonna be 110 probably.
Is that 110?
That's at 102.
See, no, because I'm below half. There's no way. That's wrong. That's wrong. Yeah, that was not 100. That was not 100.
How fast was it?
That was
Oh, scrape.
60.
No, I think it seems like it is.
No. That was like a 70-mile-an-hour pass.
Here, I'll go really slow. See what it says.
Oh, still, yeah. What's it saying for that?
J10's gonna be the highest number.
No, there's no way. It's off.
I think it's all the different planes, though.
You're only-
it's
I
seeing,
want to get a Doppler and just deal with the Doppler.
no, what I think is happening is it's seeing multiple different planes.
8.
No, because I singled
No.
out Ray with his.
No.
He's from the east.
I don't know. I think it's because it's just all kinds of stuff.
No, and it could be the clouds, but
I wanna try with
or the battery's just gone.
I want to just try with mine.
I wish I had the C batteries for it.
I'm gonna do one from the right after you, Keon. Alright, I'm going from the right.
Here, try it with. Here, after this, will you try it with mine, just when there's no one else in the audience, if that affects it?
No, because it was just me.
Yeah, it was
Nah, I don't know. It seems like it was pretty accurate before.
No, it's off. Those planes were way over 108.
No way.
Alright, I gotta land.
Hell yeah.
This thing was way over 108. It was right over us. You could feel it when it went over. I got to land too. Whoops!
What happened?
What happened to the canard steering?
Nice one, idiot.
Get it.
Cracking me up.
At least my plane's still in one piece.
I got to land. Quit arguing. Get out of my way, damn it.
I'm off to the right.
They're barking, so I'm barking too. I'm not worried about it. I'm good.
Dare grow the balls to do that.
1 minute over.
Very nice, Ray. Got her.
Flat up.
Yeah, 105 ground.
On the ground, yeah, no, it's not right.
Oh my god, that is the
crazy landing speed. 105, taxi.
You!
No, I think it's because there's multiple planes.
Did it go to 0? Now it should be right. Focus on my plane as it's coming in. No, see, it's doing the same thing. Push it and hold it till it's at 0. No, that's not right. Will it go to 0 or no?
I changed the kilometers.
That's the first time I stalled this.
Huh.
Yeah, let's change that to kilometers. We'll get better numbers.
Probably, it might be right. All you got to do is multiply by 0.62 and you're good.
I hope.
That's right.
Go fast. I'm with you guys. Bring back. And I'm gonna try this. How's your parking yet,
Nice. Oh, yes it does.
Honestly, no, because I can't abuse the gear. You know, like it's.
I don't think I've ever seen Keon without a hat.